So I just got this from Amazon JP, and I've ordered some art supplies. So let's see what's inside. Every time it's so surprising to unbox. I love this. Well packed. Well, I ordered it like a week ago, and this is called alcohol ink art. Right, it's not a very big box, but it has all the colors that I need. And also when we use alcohol ink art, because it has alcohol inside, so it's better to have something protective for your hands. And look at that, they may look small and look like nail polish, but actually these are the colors that we need for the foil art. And this is very special because it's silver. Usually it's more expensive than other colors. And then they have others. No, they got, this is yellow. Bright green, sky blue. Look at that, this is, it looks a little bit dark, but can you see it? It's orange, like yellowish orange. And this is purple red. It's more condensed, but when you put it on the paper, you will see the true colors. And then this is blackish green, so compared with this one, is darker. Okay, this will be orange. I think I need to buy another box to put all of these lovely colors inside. Fruit green, golden yellow. Oh, white. White would be important as well. Violet. I love it. I'm going to use it a lot. And this one is pink, purple. This is deep white, and coffee, more brownish, another brownish color, and this is deep white, gold. It makes the painting very different. Before we use it, we need to shake it, and usually we don't try to be greedy and put a lot. So it's like one drop and let it flow, and it will be adding texture and also sharpen the whole painting. Red, another bottle of white. There you go. This is the set to start with. Some people buy particular color and they buy one by one, but for me, I like to have the whole set to start with. Okay, bye. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.